And Terry, we're back with Maggie. So we're working on today. We're going to start adding the word heel. We're still under the subtask though of I don't want the leash made tight. And if she does want to go all the way to this, what we're not going to do at this point is any kind of micro corrections. Anything is going to be big and sweeping. And we're going to start out with, there's going to be 2 steps to the healing, defining and refining. So we're just at the defining stage right now. We're not going to try to refine it. Maggie. Good. And we want the dog looking at you. That's where you have to use the treats. Good. Heel. Slightly before heel. Good. Good. She got a little hinky right there on that turn twice. I'm not going to repeat that. Good. Very slow chewer. Heel. Good. Use that pager to bend her around that turn. Heel. Good. Stay right in the beginning. Low. Good. Wonder. Start my pager slightly before. Maggie, heel. Good. Slightly before. Heel. Good.